Alright, here we go. Let's go and check out some new iPhones. Everyone's rushing to see the Jobs Theatre. Little good idea. And this is what we're contending with. We've got a new iPhone 16, 16 Plus, the Pros. Can I squeeze in here? Yeah, first. Thank you very much. I found myself a new 16 Pro. Now 6.3 inches. New made an ultra-wide camera. Also the new 16 Pro Max. This is the new 6.9-inch screen, the biggest iPhone ever. Thinner bezels, the 18 Pro chip. We have first of all Troubleshooting, the new desert color. There's lots to talk about here. Also, of course, iOS 18, Apple Intelligence. Look how thin those bezels are, holy moly. With the new capture button, which is on all new iPhones. If I just press it, opens the camera app, press it to take a photo, long press to take a video. Sorry, long press to switch to video. I'm messing that up. And then you can also slide around. Zooming in, you can change this for different modes, and it works both horizontally and vertically. So the idea is that you can control a lot from this new capture button without taking your hands off the screen.